Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day or a great night depending on when you're watching this video. Happy Wednesday everyone. I almost said happy Thursday, but tomorrow is Thursday. What I wanted to do is just go over my expenses. And y'all, I know I haven't made a video in a few days now. I've been working overtime, literally working overtime. And that overtime that I have been working, well, tomorrow is the last day, so everything should be back to normal, somewhat at least. So let's go ahead and check out my tracker. I never did do cash envelope stuffing. I left some money in the bank. I did have some money in cash, and it was just kind of all together. So all the money was together versus being separated, but that's okay. Cash is cash, and yeah, a budget is a budget. So let's talk about it. When it comes to my July 2nd paycheck tracker, on the 24th, I did order some things for Jasmine, which I don't remember what it was. I think I ordered her some food toppers, and I grabbed me some snacks. And y'all, I haven't really been feeling my best at all, especially since last night. I think this all started a few days ago. A few days ago, I woke up and I noticed my head was hurting, but also my jaw was hurting on the left side, and my teeth were hurting, which I normally don't have teeth pain. When it comes to me having teeth pain, I really don't, have those sort of problems at all. So I felt weird. I took Tylenol. It went away. I went back to sleep. Yesterday, when I woke up, and this was 3 or 4 in the morning, I felt the same thing, but on the right side this time, and my jaw felt like it was swole. So I'm thinking, okay, since this happened with the left side, I said to myself, okay, let me take some Tylenol. Maybe I'm having sinus trouble. Now, I noticed today that my nose is running, so I'm assuming this is all sinus trouble, because when you have sinus trouble real bad, it can cause your your teeth and things like that to ache very bad. Now, earlier today I was feeling really good, but now since it's 7 o'clock, yeah, my nose is just running. I need to find some medicine and hopefully feel better tomorrow. And thank goodness my throat isn't hurting. Oh my goodness, I would probably cry if it did. So let's get back to the tracker. This is all I've spent so far on the 24th. We've already talked about it. I got snacks and got some for Jasmine. That was $37.10. And I did send that money to Navy Federal, which I haven't paid it yet. The 25th, I did get gas, and I got some things from inside the gas station, which totaled up to $49.86. I did send most of that money except for $6, I think, to Navy Federal. On the 25th, the same day, I did go into Walmart, did just a little grocery shopping. Not a lot, but just enough. I did use my debit card for that. And after those 3 transactions, I ended up with 0 in gas, 117 in grocery, 26 for spending, $60 in cash, and $83 in Chime. On the 29th, we have another Amazon battery order. So I noticed that the smoke detector started, making that beeping sound, and Jasmine does not like that sound at all whatsoever, and it gets her so, 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 so upset. So I ordered batteries. I believe they are out for delivery, and right before the batteries got from Amazon, well, on the way from Amazon, Travis bring me a battery because I knew we had some here, but I didn't know where they were. So I just need to, stand in the chair and change it and all of that. Actually, come to think about it, I just took the whole thing down. So right now it's just sitting on top of the refrigerator. If you know, you know. That noise can be a hot mess. For the 29th, I also got a mattress topper, and I haven't put it on the bed just yet. I've been just pretty much wanting to lay down, but I'm gonna work this overtime. The 27th, I did get gas and got some things from inside the gas station as well, which equaled up to $40.54. And I do have the money to pay that back. Also, on the same day, we went to McDonald's. Now, this is the same day that I took Travis' mom back home, and we just grabbed some food. I ended up paying for their food as well, so $33.82, which I did and do have the money to pay for that. The same day on the 27th, we went to the car wash because the car needed washing, car needed cleaning out, all of those things, and I did pay $26. Should I have gotten the membership? Probably so, but I didn't. July the 30th, which is today, I did give $7 in cash. And when I add up the money that I have in cash, I have $14 in Chime bank account right now. I have $51.09, which totals up to $65.09. And I do get paid on Wednesday. So let's see if we can keep this money, or will we go over? Let me know down below if you think I will go over this $65.09, or will I make a way and just figure it out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoy your day, enjoy your rest of the week, and if you have any questions, let me know down below. Bye.